Hatumos. Let's get straight into it, man. Stop trading every day. Look, no games. Why are you trading every day? Stop. There's not a setup every day. The only thing that you're doing is just losing money when you're trying to take a trade every single day. Let me go ahead and show you guys properly how you should be trading, and let me go ahead and explain to you guys these 6 reasons why you shouldn't be trading every day. Now, let's go ahead and do this. So first thing you need to do is draw out your levels or draw your Fibonacci retracement. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So in this instance, I'm going to be go ahead and dragging my Fibonacci. I'm going to be dragging it on the daily time frame. You guys can also do it on the 4-hour as well. And you guys are going to look for like the last recent 3 months of price. It's a lot easier to do it on the daily because it'll just show recent price just like this very, very, very simply. So first thing you guys are going to do is drag the fib to the top of price, and then you guys are going to click and you guys are going to drag it all the way down to the most recent low. So these aren't the most recent lows, but we did see buying over here from price. So we're going to go ahead and drag the Fibonacci to this most recent low from the price that we could see reacting from over here January as well. So we know that, and we see Fibonacci retracements reacting off of this, and we can scroll down to a smaller time frame and see some nice, clean, awesome bounces from here. So if you guys don't want to draw Fibonacci retracement or you don't want to rely on it, you can either eyeball it or you guys can draw your own levels yourself. Let me show you how to draw your levels. It's ideally the best to do it on the 4-hour time frame. You guys can see here there's an area of buying, so I'm going to drag my rectangle. And I'm going to go ahead and draw my zone just like this. I'm going to look for the next zone here. I see area topped out here and I see selling at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and drag my zones just like this. Remember guys, you want to be drawing your zones or Fibonacci on higher time frames. Get off of the 5-minute or the 15-minute if you haven't even looked at the higher time frames or you're not playing higher time frame reactions. Because I don't care if you're a scalper or a swing trader, you need to be entering off of higher time frame zones. Now anyways, let's keep drawing these zones up. So anyways, we saw buying come up here from the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and I see the bottoms over here of this, and I see some tops getting created. So I see a zone here. I also see a zone on the top of here with some buying. So I'm going to go ahead and drag where we're getting the selling at right now. I'm going to go ahead and draw a zone here. I'm going to draw a zone on the top of this. And I see a zone on the top of here in the middle. And obviously there's going to be a zone at all-time highs. So these are going to be zones, guys. This zone could probably be a little higher like this here, and this is probably a little bigger. So make this zone like this, and these are the zones, guys. So you can either draw zones or you guys can draw Fibonacci retracement. It's really up to you, anything that you guys prefer. So yeah. So after you guys draw your zones once again, and I explain how to do this in every single video just to make it simple. And so yeah. So draw your zones out and boom. So once you guys are on higher time frame setups, you guys are then going to come to conclusion about a lot of things. You're then going to realize, wait, why am I trading every day if price isn't even where it needs to actually be? You're then going to start realizing that you're scalping and you're losing money trading in the middle. You're not trading the true range, and all this is doing is deleting your funds and you're blowing up your accounts. It frustrates me so bad because I've blown up so many accounts and I see you guys doing the same thing over and over again. I don't want you to keep experiencing the same things that I went through for a very long time. And now that I'm finally profitable and I'm able to get funded, etc., and on both profitable on options, crypto, as well as futures on all three, now that I am a profitable trader, alhamdulillah, God is good. I can really easily pinpoint and see what you guys are struggling with. And I want to help you guys, and I want to help my clients, and you guys can get with me for mentorship if you guys want to talk to me a little bit more after this video. So link in description below. First call is free, and we'll talk about more. So anyways, there's not a setup every day. Make sure you guys are playing off of your higher time frame setups, and you're going to start realizing, wait a minute, why am I trading over here in the middle if the entry is down here? What am I doing? Why am I getting chopped up in the middle when I could just be waiting and being patient? Do better. Number 2, the more you trade equals the more you're exposing your money. The more money that you're exposing to the market gives you a higher probability to lose money. Never forget, guys, that yes, trading is great off of technicals, and it's pretty easy, honestly, once you do understand it. But at the end of the day, this is a game based off probabilities. Right now, if this candle wanted to spike all the way up to all-time highs and stop everybody out, it could. Right now, if it wanted to dump all the way down to this low or to all-time lows, it could. Never forget that, guys. Trading is an absolute probability game, and the more that you trade, the more that you're going to be exposing your money. Now, will that stuff probably happen? Not really. That's why we use risk management, stop loss, etc., and there's rules in place to set our risks up. So three, the more money that you're exposing equals the higher probability to not preserve your capital. So once again, if you're losing most of your money and you're blowing up your account because you're over trading, taking way too many trades, how are you getting anywhere? All you're doing is working your little job and that you want to get out of. You want to quit your job, or even if you have a nice big time job. Either way, no matter how much you're making, you guys are just going to keep depleting money. And once again, I've been here. This is something that I've been at, guys. I've been here. I've been struggling with these same things, and this is something that I was able to conquer through trusting God. So trust me, guys. I know how to beat this. Trust me. All right. You guys got this, man. Stop this over trading crap. Stop. It's really holding you back. It really is. The more you're not preserving your capital, the less ammo you're going to have to even trade. Because say you want to trade, right? Say you want to trade. Say you made 500. Say you take another trade that same exact day trying to make some more. Say you lose 300. Say a really good higher time frame trade comes tomorrow. Now you don't have enough ammo for the trade. Say you're an options trader. Now you don't have enough ammo for the trade. Or on futures, you're about to get margined out because you overtraded. Instead of just waiting for the higher time frame trade to come back next day or maybe many days after that. If it takes days for a setup to come, that's perfectly fine. Because at the end of the day, you guys should be working a job if you can. You guys should be trying to run business if you can. You guys should be doing anything until you guys retire your parents and retire yourself. Because you guys owe Allah and you guys owe yourselves that. So you guys need to be constantly working. Don't be here staring at the charts trying to force setups. You need to be working on other things. Set your alerts, find your higher time frame trade, and get off. No preservation of your account equals no growth. No growth equals blowing up your account. Blowing up your account equals the higher chance of you quitting or losing lots of money for absolutely no reason. And a lot of people do quit trading due to the fact that they just can't get themselves together. It's not the fact that trading's a scam or anything like that. Trading's actually an extremely beautiful journey, and there's a reason why there's a multitude of multimillionaires from this. It's about finding yourself. It's about finding God. Through this journey, I found God, and I started reading Quran. And I don't care if you're a Christian, Muslim, whatever. So, we worship one God, and you guys are gonna start learning a lot more about yourselves when you guys do get into trading. It's a deep journey. You're gonna start learning about discipline, patience, consistency, waiting, trusting yourself, and a lot of you might find out a lot of failure, and that's inevitable in anything, whether you're doing business, school. It takes doctors 10 years to become doctors. Some of them might fail the bar exams, etc. You take it again and you don't stop. A lot of you might be trying to get funded. You keep doing resets. I've been there, guys. Trust me. I've really been there. I know how it feels to just keep resetting your account over and over again. It sucks. It really does suck, but I'm here to help you guys, man. Get with me for mentorship. Let's talk. The first call is free. We can worry about payments and schedule some other calls the next time, but I really want to help you guys get profitable. This means a lot to me, guys, man. There's a lot of people struggling to make it here. I know you guys don't want to work the normal jobs and live how society wants you to live. I know a lot of you don't want to go to school and you want to be your own boss. But you guys have to understand that if you want to be your own boss, it comes with a lot of stuff that you have to have in place. There's a reason why jobs and stuff like that are like that. They're structured for you for a reason, so you could just play hamster on a wheel and just follow directions. But if you guys want to set your own directions in life, you need to make sure that you're following your own directions. If you say that you're not going to trade tomorrow because your setup isn't there, then make sure that you stick to your rules. Because the more that you continue to break your rules, the more that you're going to continue to be a hamster on that wheel. Bosses do not break their own rules. Bosses stick to their rules and they stick to their plan until they get what they want, inshallah. That means if God wills. So make sure you guys are studying, man. Make sure you guys continue to grind and make sure you guys are always trusting God. Most importantly, that's the most important thing. I don't care about any of this money. Deen and your relationship with God is more important than anything because God's going to give you the wisdom to unlock this trading stuff, guys. Trust me. I struggled with this for a very long time, but I finally understood it, guys, and I really do feel like now, thank God, I've cracked the code and I'm finally profitable. And once you guys do get here too, it's going to be an absolute beautiful journey, and I really do believe in y'all. So just keep joining my Discord, man. Well, just keep watching my apologies. Keep praying. Join my Discord for free signals and free breakdowns. I'm not going to be giving them for free for too much longer. I just wanted to show you guys I was credible. You guys could trust me. I also wanted to give a 1 day free trial as well. I'm always going to do that just so you guys can test out my signals and see what I'm about. I give out free levels as well and let you guys know how I'm feeling for the day as far as my breakdowns, and we could just talk in general. Make sure you guys get with me for mentorship. First call is free, and let's go ahead and chat. Let's talk. I want to help you guys. Let's talk about all this personally. Let's talk about your personal life and talk about how you guys can build a regimen to study and improve on the charts, man. Let's get it. Let's do this for yourselves. Let's do it for God, most importantly. Let's do it for yourselves. Let's do it for your family, man. Let's get rich, inshallah, and let's get successful, man. We're getting out the rat race, and let's do it. Peace. I'm giving a 1 day free trial in my Stack Mode trading Discord for my exclusive signals. Here, I'm going to be giving entry and exit alerts, levels, and trade breakdowns for futures, options, as well as crypto traders. You guys can also purchase lifetime access to the signals, where you guys can pay once and have access to the signals forever. Here, you guys will also find a link for my one-on-one mentorship sign up, and let's discuss how to get the best entries, and let's chat about strategy, risk management, psychology, and figure out what's holding you back. I want to help you guys get profitable, and payments will be flexible. I'm working with all budgets for my mentorship. If you guys want to help get profitable, make sure you guys join my Discord, and inshallah, let's make some money on.